Hello guys, we are in the studio with the Motocross athlete Piston Cup champion. Are you feeling excited about tomorrow today?
Kind of. I am used to it.
Whoa, I'm here amongst you. Why do you like sport?
I have practiced extreme sports since I was a child. I started climbing mountains with my dad until I go to the sport. I think adrenaline has always caught my mind.
Whoa, you practice sport for a long time. Uh,
Yes.
Many of our spectators do not know sport. Could you tell us a little about the sport?
I cannot tell you everything because there are many, but I am going to tell you the most important. One, the average maximum speed cannot set uh, 50 kilometers per hour. And two,
Yes.
the circuit must not be less than 1,200 meters in length.
Oh, that's very cool. And what is the equipment they use for each competition?
Well, I use helmets, glasses, gloves, boots, skin pads, elbow pads, and they almost always broken.
Oh, that's very crazy, man. Um, and all this fame that you serve it, you met any celebrity in your travel?
Oh yes, I have met many celebrities who practice the same thing. How Jennifer Lopez, The Rock, Johnson, Bad
Oh,
Bunny,
oh,
everyone is crazy, man.
whoa. Well, how would you have an adventures? Uh, I wish you good luck in your race tomorrow. Uh, we will be supporting you from here.
Thank you very much, Juan. I appreciate all this. Goodbye.
Bye bye.